puppy. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so basically I'll explain what the Animal Jam iceberg is. So it's basically from top to bottom, I don't really know how to explain it, but the weirdest, like the normal stuff to the back there. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So the first is the magenta glitches. There were so they were getting different variants of items in the game, and when they were messaging to AGHQ, I believe that's what it is. So that's top tier because it's not that serious. Just when AGHQ gives you back an item, basically they come in like a magenta variant, or they are glitched somehow. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is the data breach. So there is this so the data breach there. So Animal Jam has poor security, very poor security actually. On AJ Classic, probably. Well, not the game I'm playing, but they probably have very poor protection. So there's this, I'd rather not say where, but there's this place where you could like hack into the game. So yeah, next thing I want to talk to you about is Fman122. So what he sent somebody, I know the story because I heard it before. So he sent this jammer a jamgram, and then it wouldn't load for some reason. There was a gift attached to it, but it wouldn't load. So they just had that in their Animal Jam, now non-classic. Yeah, basically that. Now we're gonna talk about like beta coin items. Beta coin items are considered as beta. Deleted coin items are considered as beta because they were there in the beta stages. Some of them are still out, like the necklace and the beard, but in different variants. As well as the butterfly wings, I forgot what it's called, the flower anklet, I think that's what it's called, and many other items. Next we're going to be talking about scullies. Scullies were a deleted item because they came back out, but they looked inappropriate on pandas. So yeah. Oh, and also, from the other thing I said, I meant deleted gem items. So the deleted coin items, there were these coins, and they had animals on it. So they had animals on it, like the horse. I know it was deleted first. And the horse coin was deleted first, So, yeah. Yeah. And I think there's more that's deleted. You could go check it out on a wiki page probably. But yeah. So yeah. And then that's all we're gonna do.